Okay. Jump. Alright, let me lock in now. Time to sweat. Okay, flower is glitching over there. Okay, this might be the method. Oh yeah. Stage 7 complete. We're almost the highest one on the leaderboard. Looking good. Let's keep on going. Now I think we're jumping on these blocks of cheese right now. I don't know what's going on, but it's for the best. This is some moldy cheese right here. It's like green. Flowers, watch out. You might die. Stage 8 complete.